So and I met the doctor that after treatment, this is supposed to be the last treatment. And the body is supposed to come back to normal. And it's not coming back to normal. Rather, the body swelled up and it was tearing. And as it's tearing, blood, water was gushing out. So we have to support the leg with pillow so that the water can flow to the body. When the water flows to the body, the tummy will be swelled up because she cannot really urinate normally, you know. So in that, I now went and meet the doctor that they should discharge her since the treatment did not work well because by now the treatment she's supposed to be okay.
Tao amin'ny hôpitaly tao satria tsy miasa mihitsy le fanafodiny raisiny hatramin'izay.
They are going to introduce another therapy which is higher than the one
dia
they have
rehefa moa izy
given
ny
her
teny
before.
andraso misy vahaolana hafa indray zay tsara kokoa noho ny hatramin'izay. Enim-bolana tao aorianan'izay dia
I heard about 4
na eno
doctors, they
ako
were like, if we should discharge Priska, they won't have any treatment in the world. So what would they do? So one of the doctors now said, we need to hold hands to pray for a patient. I said, wow. So doctor will pray for a patient to be sick. So when I got to the ward, I told my daughter, we are leaving this hospital and we will never come back again.
za moa tamin'izay tena efa kivy mihitsy ny teny tamin'izany koa hoe hiala ato amin'ity hôpitaly ity tsika fa tsy mety satria efa nandramana tokoa ny zavatra rehetra tsy sitrany ianao atao daholo ny zavatra rehetra tsisy fiovana.
So he now said, okay, he will register us. That is
dia rehefa eo iny dadatoan'le zaza iny ny teny taminazy tsy maninona ary fa andraso fa hotsiratako manohatra anao amin'ny fotoana fanasitrana miaraka tamin'ny pastor Krista. Ahoana nahatongavanao tamin'io fotoana io? Ahoana nandraisanao ny fijoroana vavolombelona? Tamin'izaho tonga tao dia tena fantatro hoe farana eto ny aretiko. Satria tena sahirana fa fantatro hoe fantatro hoe sitranako vao tonga ao. Dia rehefa tonga tao aho dia tao amin'ny efitrano tao miandro ny lehilahin'Andriamanitra ho tonga hivavaka. Teo izy mivavaka ho an'ny olona tsirairay avy. Dia henoko ny herin'ny fanasitranana tao amin'ny toerana io.